How to send pictures and videos on Zangi Messenger. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Zangi Messenger. Make sure you've logged into your account. Then click on the chat where you want to send pictures and videos. Then at the bottom you'll find camera-like option. Click on it. Then click on Continue to give permissions, as you will need to give permissions. Click on While using the app. After you've given the permission, at the bottom you'll find photo or video option. I'll simply click on the photo for now, which is the icon at the bottom right. Then select the picture you want to send and press on Next at the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, in here you can edit the picture by adding a caption or editing in general. Then press on Send at the bottom right and you're good to go. This is how to send pictures and videos on Zangi Messenger. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.